Derivations of equations of motion. Hello friends, in this video we will derive first equation of motion, also called as velocity time relation. We all know the equation v is equals to u plus at. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity. A acceleration, t is the time. So we will be doing this by graphical method. First equation of motion. Consider an object moving in a straight line with uniform velocity u. Here you can observe that the object has not started from its origin. We can see that velocity time graph has not started from origin. It has started from point A, which is not the origin. When initial velocity is u, give it a uniform acceleration. We all know that uniform acceleration means body travels in a straight line and velocity increases. So the object velocity increases as a result of the acceleration to final velocity in time t, and s is the distance covered by the object. The graph depicts the velocity time graph of the object motion. On graph you can observe that OA equals to u equals to initial velocity equals to dc. OE equals to v equals to final velocity equals to bc. OC is the time. The acceleration of a moving object is given by the slope of velocity time graph, area under Vt graph. By definition of acceleration equals to change in velocity by time. A equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Here final velocity is bc and initial velocity is time is oc. A equals to v minus u by t. V minus u equals to at. V is equals to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. So this was all about first equation of motion that we have derived from graphical method using this velocity time graph.